Welcome to the Inspire Academy Online. In today's video, we're going to learn some basic Japanese conversation and essential phrases for beginners. Let's dive in. Let's start with some basic greetings. Hello. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good evening. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Goodbye. Sayonara. Sayonara. Good night. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. These are the greetings you hear most often in Japan. Now, let's move on to some basic conversations. How are you? O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? I'm fine, thank you. Genki desu. Arigatou. Genki desu. Arigatou. What is your name? お名前は何ですか? お名前は何ですか? My name is 私の名前はです。私の名前はです。Nice to meet you. はじめまして。はじめまして。Thank you. ありがとう。ありがとう。You're welcome. どういたしまして。どういたしまして。Excuse me or sorry. すみません。すみません。These phrases will help you navigate through simple conversations. Remember, politeness is very important in Japanese culture. Let's learn some essential phrases you might need when traveling or interacting with Japanese speakers. Yes. はい。はい。No. いいえ。いいえ。Please. お願いします。お願いします。Excuse me. すみません。すみません。I don't understand. わかりません。わかりません。Can you speak English? 英語が話せますか? 英語が話せますか? How much is this? これはいくらですか? これはいくらですか? These essential phrases will be very handy in various situations. Practice them often to build your confidence. Next, let's cover counting in Japanese. Numbers are essential for many daily interactions. 1. 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 or 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 7 7 or 7 7 7 8 8 8 9 9 or 9 9 9 10 10 10 Now you know how to count from 1 to 10 in Japanese. With these numbers, you can handle basic transactions and understand quantities. Finally, let's learn some common expressions you might hear or use frequently. I'm sorry. ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。It's okay. 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。I'm hungry. お腹が空きました。お腹が空きました。I'm thirsty. 喉が渇きました。喉が渇きました。I'm lost. 道に迷いました。道に迷いました。These expressions will help you communicate your needs and respond to others in everyday situations. And that's all for today's lesson on basic Japanese conversation and essential phrases. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Inspire Academy online for more language learning videos. Mata ne! See you next time!